So hi WordPress users, hope you all are good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this error, installation fail, could not create directory. Very easy to solve. Let me tell you the solution. You see this, go to your file manager of your website. This will be there in your C panel. Now you see this WP content. Now you see this too. Here just rename it. So sometimes what happens is when this plugins or theme file name change, this thing creates this error. Installation fail, could not create directory because it could not find this folder plugin or theme. So in my case, it can find the theme folder. Now after you see this, done. Simply the problem is now solved. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If yes, give it a like and please subscribe my channel. Definitely this will help me.